this is how we open UPS 600, 650. How do you? This is how you replace the battery. This is the UPS 650. All you need to do is just to turn it. Open this small screw down here.